All right, there's another round of the 10-minute warm-up, and we're going to take this very much into the shoulders and the upper back. So to start out, just bring yourself into some comfortable seat. You can sit cross-legged. I'm going to sit here on my shins with the heels down underneath me. And wherever you take this to, go ahead, bring your arms up high. And then as you bring your hands down, interlace your fingers, face your palms away from you, and keep your elbows wide. Bring the hands above your head. Keep your shoulders pulled back. Keep your chest open up. And we're going to go side to side from here. So lean over the right. Look up toward the ceiling. Pull the left shoulder back. And then come up through center. Keep your chest open. Lean left, right shoulder back. Back through center. Lean over to the right again. Keep looking up. And then come through center. And lean over to the left. Keep your shoulders pulled back the whole time. Bring it back through center. Now lean to the right, hold a little longer here. Left shoulder high. And as you're looking up, if you want to go further, you can press out your palms and start to extend your arms, maybe a little bit, maybe a lot. Now come back up through center and lean to the left one more time. Right shoulder high. And as you're looking up from here, if you want to go further, maybe press out through the palms and extend the arms. You don't have to force it. And then just come back to center and reach your arms out wide. Now from here, take this into an eagle bind, which you use in yoga. So it's going to be right arm under, left arm over, cross the elbows, palms to touch thumbs with your face. And if you can't get the palms together, go ahead, reach across to opposite shoulders. Now I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing here. Now I want you to take it back and forth, your arms squeezing, arms crossed either way. Lift the elbows up high and look up. And then pull your elbows to your belly, round your spine and come down low. And then again, elbows up high, look up, round your spine and take it back down, elbows toward your belly. One more time, keep the arms squeezing, lift the elbows, look up. And then draw the elbows toward your belly, round this back down. And then come back upright. Now go ahead, reach your arms out wide and take it the other way. Left arm under this time. Right arm over. Cross the elbows, palms to touch thumbs with your face. Or again, reach to the shoulders, whichever works. Keep your arms squeezing as they're crossed. And then from here, elbows up high, look up. Pull the elbows toward your belly, round your spine and curl down. Again, lift the elbows. Look up again. Keep the arms squeezing. Round back in. Elbows toward your belly, take it down. One more time. Elbows up high, look up. And then draw this back in. Curl down, elbows toward your belly. And then come back up to center and release. Bring your hands to the floor. Come into all fours. And we're still working this into the shoulders. Now from all fours, wrist under the shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Step your left foot straight out to the side. And then bring the left hand behind your head. Now, lift the left elbow. Pull the left shoulder back. Keep your right arm pushing to the floor. You're trying to open up and feel that stretch across your chest. And you should feel some contraction across the upper back. Now from here, keep the left shoulder pulled back. Keep looking up. And then go ahead, straighten your left arm and reach back in the direction of your feet. Bend the elbow. Bring the hand behind your head. Keep your left shoulder pulled back. Again, straighten your left arm and then reach back. Bend the elbow, bring the hand behind your head, keep the shoulder pulled back. Reach your left arm straight back again. Bend the elbow, bring the hand behind your head. 2 more times. Straighten your left arm and reach back. And then bend the elbow and bring the hand behind your head. 1 more time. Straighten the arm and reach back. And then bring the hand behind your head. Hold here. Keep your right hand pushing down. And then curl down. Bring the left elbow all the way down to the floor. Lift up, left elbow high, pull the shoulder back. Bring the elbow back down to the floor. Open up all the way and look up. 1 more time, bring the elbow down to the floor. Lift up again, look up, and then release. Bring your left hand down, bring your left knee down. And then we'll take it to the other side. So from all fours, extend the right leg straight out to the side. And then open up. Bring the right hand behind your head. Elbow high, pull the right shoulder back. Keep your left hand pushing down. And then straighten your right arm. Reach in the direction of your feet. Bend the elbow. Bring the hand back behind your head. Keep the shoulder pulled back. Straighten your right arm. And then bend the elbow. Bring the hand behind your head. Right arm straight. Reach this back. Keep the shoulder pulled back. Bend the elbow. Bring the hand behind. 2 more times. Straighten your right arm. Keep your chest open. Left hand pushing down. And bring the right hand back behind your head. 1 more time. Straighten the right arm. Reach this back. Bend the elbow. Bring the hand behind. And then from here, go ahead, twist down. Bring that right elbow to the floor. Open up, pull the shoulder back, look up. Right elbow down to the floor. Open up again all the way. Right elbow down to the floor. Open up and look up one more time. And then bring your hand down and bring the right knee back to the mat. And then from here, we'll just take this into a couple of wrist stretches here. Now we'll keep it simple. Bring the hands in close, maybe about one hand's length in front of your knees. Keep them shoulder width. Flip your hands over, backs of the hands down, palms up. Spread the fingers wide and keep your hands tense. You can always take the weight back toward your legs. Now with your fingertips pressing down, just go ahead and move your shoulders side to side. And just feel that stretch moving through the wrists and through the backs of the hands. And then come back in the center. Keep the arms straight, no bend in the elbows. Fingertips pressing down. Pull your belly in around your spine. Now with your spine rounded, sink your rib cage toward the floor. So feel your shoulder blades squeeze together. And then press your spine up toward the ceiling. And just sink down and press back up. Belly pulled in the whole time. No bend in the elbows. Fingertips pressing down. So you're just moving in between the shoulder blades. And a lot of times those muscles are stiff. So it can be hard to get them to loosen up. So just go back and forth. And then once you press up one more time, hold here. Keep the hands close but flip them over. Palms down. Point the fingertips in toward your knees. Grip the floor. Now go ahead, circle your shoulders with wrists and feel this out. Now come back into center. Keep gripping and start with straight arms. Look forward. Now bring your shoulders forward. Bend the elbows a little bit. Pull them underneath you. So you're just lowering a couple inches. Elbows are going to stay bent. Fingertips still pressing down. Now from here, as you hold this position, just lift one leg at a time. Bring your right knee up to touch the right elbow and set the knee down. Left knee up to your left elbow and come back down. Pull the right knee up again. Set it down. Left knee to left elbow. And then down. Right knee to right elbow again. Set it down. Left knee to left elbow. Set it down. Right knee to right elbow again. Bring it down. Left knee to left elbow. And set it down. Right knee to the right elbow one more time. And set it down. Lift the left knee to your left elbow. And bring it back down. Come up onto the fingertips. And then down to sitting on your heels. And just shake your hands out. Once you're ready, bring your legs out from underneath you and come to an upright seat with your legs forward. Now, sit up tall. So, if your hamstrings are tight, bend the knees and let that tension go. You need to be able to tip your pelvis forward so your spine can stay upright without too much extra effort. So if you're sitting and you have to round your spine, definitely bend your knees. Now keep your low back pushing forward. Stay tense through your midsection. Pull through the belly around the low ribs. Hold your spine upright and bring both hands behind your head. Now interlace your fingers. Keep the elbows wide and keep your shoulders pulled back. Keep your spine tall. We're going to do a little bit of twisting here. So I want you to keep your core braced, keep your spine vertical. And we're going to go back and forth. So pull the right heel in close. So you're going to shift your weight to the left. And then bring that right heel forward. Pull the left heel in and twist to the left side. Left heel forward. Pull the right heel in and twist, stay upright. Right heel forward. Pull the left heel in, twist left. Left heel forward. Pull the right heel in, twist right again. And then set the heel forward. Pull the left heel in, twist left. And bring the heel forward. Keep your spine vertical. Pull the right heel in and twist right. And then go ahead, bring the heel forward. Pull the left heel in, twist this way. Heel forward again. Right heel in, twist. Keep your spine upright. And set the heel forward. Pull the left heel in and twist. And then left heel forward. 2 more rounds. Pull the right heel in, turn right. Heel forward. Pull the left heel in, turn left. Heel forward. Pull the right heel in, twist right. One more time. Heel forward. Pull the left heel in, twist left one more time. Heel forward. And then go ahead, bring your hands down. Shake things out a little bit. And then set your feet flat. We'll take this into reverse tabletop. Feet in front of your hips width. Hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Palms down, fingertips forward if you can. You can always rotate your fingers to the sides. Whatever's better for your wrists. So push down, lift your seat up off the mat or off the floor. And then press your hips up high, squeeze your glutes. Sink back down. Press up again for 2. And then come back down. Hips up high for 3. Sink back down again. Lift this up for 4. And then come down. Press your hips up for 5 and hold this time. Now keep your glutes squeezing. Keep the hips lifted high as you can hold. You can look forward, look up, or hang your head back. Go further. Dig your heels down. Try to pull them toward your hands. And keep breathing. Take an inhale. And with the exhale, come all the way down. Once you're down, just shake your hands out for a moment. And we're taking up another variation, this time on one hand. So the feet are still hips width. Hands behind your shoulders, but rotate your fingers as far back as you can. Press into the floor, lift your seat up off the mat. Now, I want to take this on the left hand. So keep the left arm straight. Reach your right arm forward between your knees. If this is too much on one hand, just keep the right hand down. Now, press your hips up, squeeze your glutes, stretch your right arm long. And then sink back down. Lift up high for 2. And then come back down. Bring it up one more time and hold here. Keep your glutes squeezing. Keep the right arm stretching. Keep your left arm strong. Take an inhale. Now with the exhale, set the right hand down, come all the way down. Go shake that left arm out for a moment. And then set up for the other side. Feet hips width. Hands behind the shoulders. Rotate your fingers as far back as you can. Push into the floor and lift your seat up off the mat. Now, press into the right hand. Reach that left arm between your knees again. Both hands can stay down. So press your hips up. Squeeze your glutes. Stretch the left arm long. Bring it back down. Lift this up again for 2. And then come back down. Press up high for 3. And hold here. Now keep your glutes squeezing. Keep stretching to that left arm. Keep breathing. And then take an inhale. With the exhale, come all the way back down again. Go shake your arms out. Roll your shoulders out a little bit. And then when you're ready, cross with the ankles. Come forward. Your hands come into all fours. You want to take this into a lopsided position from here. So go ahead, bring the right forearm down to the floor. Keep the elbow to the side. Bring your hand into center. Slide your left hand back so the elbow stacks above the wrist and keep the elbow pulled in. Now look down, tuck your toes. Lift your knees and bring your hips up high. Walk your feet in and get your hips up as high as you can. Now from here, inhale the left leg high. And then bring your left knee down and touch your left arm. Inhale the left leg high. Exhale, knee to left arm. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, knee to arm again. Inhale the left leg high. Exhale, knee to left arm. One more time. Inhale the left leg high. Exhale, knee to left arm. Now just keep the knee here. Fold it in tight. Pull the heel in close. Look down and see about tensing up your inner thigh. Squat. Try to squeeze the right leg over the left and bring your legs together. And then release. Bring everything down. Knees to the floor. Come up to all fours. And then take that on the other side. Go ahead, bring your left forearm down. Elbow to the side, bring the hand into center. Slide your right hand back so the elbow stacks above the wrist and keep that elbow pulled in. Now tuck your toes, lift your knees, bring your hips up high. Walk the feet and get your hips up as high as you can. Now, raise your right leg up as high as you can. Bring the knee down, touch the right arm. Right leg up high. Knee to right arm again. Right leg up. Knee to right arm. Raise your right leg high. Knee to arm. Right leg up one more time. Bring the knee to the arm and hold it here. Now fold the right leg completely. Pull the heel toward your seat. Keep looking down. Use your inner thighs. Try to squeeze the left leg over so it touches the right. And then bring your feet down. Bring your knees down. Come back to all fours. All right. And that is a 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.